Alright guys, roll for initiative. Kirk, you are still being poisoned from fisting that half-orc bar wench.
Yo.
Oh, hey man.
Where's everyone else?
Oh, Licker, Ree, and Meow Meow are next door. I think they're doing prank calls or something.
Cool. Might check it out.
CYOA tonight?
Unlikely.
Roll a d4 to inhale with your mouth closed.
Hey, just got back from broing out. Did I miss much?
Shh. Shut the fuck up.
Hello, you're live for the Mac Dwanton podcast sponsored by Beef Jerky. What's your name, caller?
Hello? My name is Mike Tyson, and I think you might be my son.
Excuse me?
I think I fucked your whole mother a few years ago. Do you have fucked off teeth?
Well, XD, so random. Later.
Okay, me next.
This is the dictator of the Universal Union, Power Gaming you here. Tiger.
Hey there, dude. Just want to say you totally rock. Alright? We all love you as a community. Big blue heart. Alright.
Dude, that's not how you prank call.
Isn't the idea usually that you actually prank them somewhat?
Yeah, I guess you're kinda right. But he sounded like he needed a little reassurance. Gotta have a good day, you know? The sky's the limit, you know what I'm saying? Totally righteous.
Fucking amateurs. Let me show you how it's done.
What's happening? Captain Desi here.
Hey there. This is Rob Jaham with the Bungie.net plumbing service.
Plumbing service by Bungie? That doesn't sound very legit. Please go on.
We're currently conducting some routine ordnance surveys in order to potentially identify possible applicants for our trainee program. Would you like to participate?
Sure. What do I need to do?
All you gotta do is answer a couple easy questions and you can get a chance to get a spot developing for us. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah. I mean, assuming my dad lets me do it.
Totally. So, question 1. Is your refrigerator running?
Yes, it is. Why?
You have autism.
You're all gonna pay for this. I will track you down and kick your fucking asses. Or even better, my dad will.
Sure. Retard.
Is that them? They look super cool!
What's going on? General Dima here.
See, I told you I would find you all and get you back for what you did to me. Dad, kick their asses!
Desi, shut up and wait in the warthog.
Yes, Daddy. Hey, move over.
You move over, retard!
Okay, I'm sorry.
Listen, Mr. Dima, we didn't mean any harm or anything. Well, okay, I did. But you have to admit, having autism, it's pretty damn funny. Right?
Whoa.
Dad, did you fix it? Will they leave me alone now?
That's not going to happen.
Desi, seriously? Shut the fuck up! And we're playing my music on the way back to California. No more whacking off to the wax soundtrack.
Sucking on my titties like you wanted me, calling me all the time like Blondie. Check out my Chrissy behind it.
You know, I thought he'd be taller.
I thought she'd be hotter.
Same here.
Kirk, roll a one-sided dice to take your medicine.
Ah!
Sucking on my titties like you wanted me, calling me all the time. That Bondi, check out my Chrissy behind, it's fine all over the time. What else is in the teachers of peaches? Like sex on the beaches. What? Huh?
Hey, what's up? Commander Deca here. How did it go?
Dad, tell Millie I want to listen to my whacked soundtrack. I need to whack off to John.